Computer science is no longer a niche field. It's a fundamental part of our world, driving innovation in every industry imaginable. From the smartphones in our pockets to the complex algorithms powering financial markets, computer science is everywhere. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your existing skills, this roadmap will guide you through the essential concepts and practices to master this fascinating field. This guide is designed to be accessible and engaging, breaking down complex topics into digestible pieces. We'll use clear examples and practical tips to help you understand not just the what, but also the why behind each concept. Get ready to embark on a rewarding journey of learning and discovery. The world of computer science awaits. This could be your future. Let's get started. Every computer program, from a simple calculator app to a complex video game, relies on three fundamental pillars: algorithms, data structures, and programming languages. These are the building blocks of computer science, crucial for mastering the field. Algorithms are step-by-step instructions that tell a computer how to solve a problem. Data structures organize and store data efficiently for easy access and manipulation. Programming languages translate algorithms and data structures into computer instructions. Mastering a programming language takes time and practice. Start with beginner-friendly languages like Python or JavaScript. Don't be intimidated by the code. We will break it down into manageable steps. With a solid understanding of algorithms, data structures, and programming, you're ready to delve into more advanced concepts. Databases are essential for storing and managing large amounts of structured data. They are used everywhere, from online stores to social media platforms. SQL is a powerful language for querying and manipulating data in relational databases, while NoSQL databases offer flexibility for handling unstructured data like social media posts and sensor data. Operating systems act as the intermediary between your computer's hardware and the software you use. Understanding how operating systems manage resources like memory, storage, and processing power is crucial for writing efficient and performant programs. You'll learn about processes, threads, concurrency, and other key OS concepts. As you progress, you'll encounter increasingly complex problems that require creative solutions. This is where problem-solving skills become paramount. Fortunately, computer science provides a powerful set of tools and techniques for tackling challenging problems. Understanding these interactions is key to writing efficient and powerful software. The world of computer science is constantly evolving, with new technologies and paradigms emerging all the time. Computer networks are the backbone of the internet, enabling communication and data exchange between devices worldwide. You'll learn about networking protocols, network topologies, and how data is transmitted across the web. Software development is more than just writing code. It involves a systematic approach to designing, building, and maintaining software systems. You'll explore different software development methodologies like Agile and Waterfall, version control systems like Git, and best practices for writing clean, maintainable code. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance. You'll delve into the fascinating world of AI, exploring concepts like supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, and deep learning. You'll discover how AI is used for tasks like image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive modeling. This is the future that computer science is building, and you can be a part of it. Once you have a strong foundation in the core concepts of computer science, you can choose to specialize in a particular area that aligns with your interests and career goals. Web development focuses on building websites and web applications, while mobile development involves creating apps for smartphones and tablets. Cybersecurity is a critical field that focuses on protecting computer systems and networks from unauthorized access and data breaches. Each of these specializations requires a specific set of skills and knowledge. Web developers need to be proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while mobile developers need to master platforms like Android and iOS. Cybersecurity professionals need to understand security protocols, threat detection, and incident response. So which path will you choose? The possibilities are endless. While theoretical knowledge is essential, practical experience is equally crucial for mastering computer science. Building your own projects is a great way to apply what you've learned, experiment with different technologies, and develop your problem-solving skills. Start with small, manageable projects and gradually work your way up to more complex ones. Internships provide invaluable opportunities to gain real-world experience in a professional setting. You'll work alongside experienced professionals, contribute to meaningful projects, and gain insights into industry best practices. As you gain experience, start building a portfolio of your best work. This could include personal projects, contributions to open-source projects, or projects completed during internships. A strong portfolio showcases your skills and experience to potential employers. Remember, your skills and portfolio are your best assets in the job market. Computer science is not a solitary pursuit. Engaging with the vibrant and supportive community of computer scientists and enthusiasts can significantly enhance your learning journey. Online forums like Stack Overflow and Reddit provide platforms to ask questions, get help with coding problems, and learn from others' experiences. Hackathons are events where teams of programmers come together to collaborate on software projects within a short time frame. They are a great way to meet like-minded individuals, learn new technologies, and test your skills in a competitive but fun environment. Contributing to open-source projects allows you to work on real-world software used by millions of people. It's a fantastic way to improve your coding skills, learn from experienced developers, and give back to the community. So, join the community, share your knowledge, and learn from others. The importance of continuous learning in a dynamic field. Computer science is a rapidly evolving field, with new technologies, languages, and frameworks emerging constantly. To stay ahead of the curve, it's crucial to cultivate a mindset of continuous learning. Make it a habit to read industry blogs, attend conferences, and take online courses to keep your skills sharp and your knowledge up to date. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and explore new areas within computer science. The more you learn, the more you'll realize how much more there is to know. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the journey of lifelong learning in this exciting and rewarding field. The world of computer science is constantly expanding. Keep learning and exploring. Navigating the world of computer science. Navigating the vast world of computer science can seem daunting. But thankfully, there are countless resources and tools available to help you along the way. Online learning platforms like Coursera, edX, and Udemy offer a wide variety of computer science courses from introductory to advanced levels. These platforms provide structured learning paths, interactive exercises, and often certificates of completion. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, coding boot camps offer intensive, immersive programs designed to equip you with job-ready skills in a short amount of time. Boot camps typically focus on specific areas like web development, data science, or cybersecurity. In addition to online resources, don't underestimate the value of traditional learning materials. Textbooks, research papers, and academic journals provide in-depth knowledge and insights from leading experts in the field. Many universities offer free online access to their computer science course materials, allowing you to learn from the best. With so many resources available, the only limit is your own curiosity and dedication. Finding your path. A computer science background opens doors to a wide range of career paths. Software engineers design, code, and test software for various platforms. Data scientists extract insights from large data sets. Web developers create interactive websites, while mobile developers build apps. Cybersecurity professionals protect information from cyber threats. Explore your interests and talk to people in various roles. Networking and industry events provide valuable insights. Find a career path that ignites your passion. Embracing the journey. Mastering computer science is not a destination, but an ongoing journey of learning, exploration, and growth. It's about embracing challenges, pushing your boundaries, and constantly seeking new knowledge and skills. The roadmap outlined in this guide provides a solid foundation and a clear path to help you navigate the exciting world of computer science. Remember that the most important ingredient for success is your own dedication and perseverance. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, ask for help when you need it, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Embrace the power of community, collaborate with others, and contribute to the open source world. The future belongs to those who can harness the power of technology. With your passion, dedication, and the knowledge gained from this roadmap, you are well on your way to mastering computer science and shaping the future of our digital world. The journey starts now. Go out there and make your mark on the world.